This 2024 Fleetwood Bounder 36F is a Class A RV. It is located in Wixom, Michigan, 48393 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Fleetwood is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7, Slideout, and 100 gal freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, 2 full baths. This 2024 Fleetwood Bounder 36F is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.